Good morning, my dear children. Today we are going to start with chapter number 21, which is construction of triangles. So, all of you have done this chapter in your previous class 7, where you had learned that how to draw a triangle. So, if we see on page number 213, exercise let's work out 21, question number 1. So question number 1, it says that let's draw a triangle whose two sides are 6 centimeter, 7 centimeter and the measurement of the angle opposite to the side of length 7 centimeter is 60 degree. Let us write what will be the measurement of the sides to form a triangle. This is our question. So what does this question means? This question means that you have to draw a triangle, okay, whose two sides are, suppose if this is a triangle, so one side should be of 6 centimeter, another side should be of 7 centimeter, okay. Now further it is saying that the measurement of the angle opposite to the side 7 centimeter is 60 degree. That means if this side is 7 centimeter, the angle opposite to the 7 centimeter is 60 degree. So the question is asking, let us draw what will be the measurement of the sides to form the triangle. That means what will be the measurement of the sides. This is what our question is asking. So let's start with the question. So the two sides which are given to us are, first is 6 centimeter and another is 7 centimeter. So what we will do, we will first of all draw two line segments. Okay, so the first line segment which I am drawing is of 6 centimeter and the second line segment I have drawn as 7 centimeter. Now what I will do is that I will draw a line segment which will form the base of my triangle, okay, of any measurement of your choice. Okay, now I have drawn the line segment. Next what I will do, I will take my compass, okay. So this is the compass I have taken. Okay, now this is called the center. Okay, through this compass I will be drawing a circle. This will be my center pointer. Okay, so taking any radius, okay, from here to here, the distance of any measurement, the radius of any measurement I am taking, and I will be drawing an arc at one end of the line segment which I have drawn. Okay, now as you can see, here is the center of the circle, okay, and here the circle is intersecting the line segment at a particular point. Okay, now keeping the same radius, I am not increasing or decreasing the measurement of the distance between my pencil and the pointer. So keeping the same measurement of the radius or same radius, I am putting the center at the point of intersection of the circle and the line segment. Again I am intersecting the arc which I had drawn. Okay, so I have drawn an arc. Now what will I do? I will join the end of the line segment and the point of intersection and I will extend the line. Okay, I am extending the line, you can see here. Now this measurement, if you see with the help of the protractor, it will measure exactly my 60 degree. See here, exactly 60 degree measurement is coming. So I will write down 60 degree here. Now further what my question is saying, my question is saying that the length of the side opposite to this 60 degree angle is of 7 centimeter. So if I assume this side to be 6 centimeter, so what will I do? I will measure this line segment with the help of the compass like this, 6 centimeter. See here I am measuring. Okay, now I am putting the center of the compass at the end of the line segment here and I am intersecting the extended line. Okay, so this length is coming as 6 centimeter. Here I am writing as 6 centimeter. So what will I do? Here I have got one point of intersection, that means one vertex I have got here. So what will I do? since this angle is 60 degree, the question is telling me the length of the side opposite to 60 degree angle should be of 7 centimeter. So again I am measuring the 7 centimeter line segment. Okay, I am putting one end of the compass at one point of intersection and intersecting the base. Okay, so here I will get my 7 centimeter length of the side. Okay, it will be 7 centimeter. So I will join the points here from here to here. So if you measure this side of the triangle is coming exactly as 6 centimeter, as you all can see, and this side of the triangle is coming exactly as 7 centimeter. Okay, so if I name the triangle as triangle ABC, the question is telling me to find the length of the other side, that means the side BC. The question is asking me to find out. So it will be exactly, you can see here, it's coming as 7.4 or 7.5 approximately, as you all can see here. Okay, so I will write down in triangle ABC, AB is equals to 6 centimeter, BC is equals to how much? 7 centimeter, and the length of the side AB, again we are measuring here, it's coming as how much? It's coming as around 7.3 or 7.4 centimeter. And angle BAC, the measurement of angle BAC is 60 degree. Okay, so this is my required answer. Thank you, my dear children.